This case study for the subject Bmii 3323 Facility Planning and Design. Our topic focuses on car manufacturing. The study was carried out by the following group member: Muhammad Akmal bin Ahmad, Muhammad Syafiq bin Saharuddin, Shahazad bin Shahidan, Muhammad Ahmad Syami bin Ismail. Each member has contributed equal and collaborate toward the completion of this project. For the product design phase, we started with initial design of the car where basic sketch and idea were drafted. Next, we developed a chat model using Katia software to bring our concept into a 3D environment. Finally, we define the design and pro- produce the final chat model, which will be used for further analysis and development stage. For the process design, we have six process. First, raw material. Second, body shop. Third, general assembly. Fourth, testing and quality control. Fifth is final inspection, and the last is shipping. Next is facility design. Facility design play an important role in ensuring smooth and efficient car productions. However, when the facility design is poor, this can lead to production inefficiency. As shown in the diagram, there are three main causes of inefficiency. First is raw material supply problem, such as a late delivery from supplier and receive low quality material. Second is equipment and machinery failure, including outdated machine and lack of preventive maintenance. Third is manpower and workforce issues, like lack of skilled worker and low staff morale. All of these factors slow down the production process, increase cost, and reduce production quality. That's why having well-planned facility design is very important to reduce the problem and improve factory performance.
Material management flow system. The material flow system ensure that the right material arrive at the right time, keeping car production running smoothly. The system works through several steps. First, production control and purchasing plan. Plan what material are needed and send order to supplier. The vendors then deliver the necessary part such as steel engine and electronic. The transportation team ensure these materials are delivered safely to the factory. Once the material arrive, the receiving department check the quality and quantity of the incoming goods. The approved materials are then stored and organized until they are needed. Finally, the accounting team process invoice and update inventory record. The goal of this system is to reduce delays, cut waste, and maintain a smooth production process. Okay, so for the next part is physical distribution system. The physical distribution system manage how finished car are delivered to customer. Once the vehicle have undergone final inspection, they are stored until they are ready for shipment. Sales processing handles and track customer order. The car are then scheduled for shipment by the transportation team. The final delivery step ensure that the vehicle are sent to dealers or directly to customers. The goal of this system is to deliver the right car on time and in perfect condition, all while keeping costs low and ensuring customer satisfaction. So for the next slide is material handling. Efficient material handling is crucial for productivity, safety and cost. control in car production. There are several types of equipment used in the manufacturing process. Forklifts play a vital role in moving heavy material like steel around the factory floor. Overhead cranes are used to lift and transport large items over obstacles. Additionally, conveyors are essential for transporting material and parts efficiently along the production line, reducing the need for manual handling and speeding up the process. Robot lift further assist by automating the lifting and movement of heavy component with high precision. This automated system reduce human labor and enhance safety while ensuring a smooth flow of material. The combination of these equipment types help improve both safety and efficiency within the factory, optimizing the entire production process.
Okay, for chapter 4, personal requirement, we have made several improvements to better support the worker in factory. First, the number of the toilet has been increased from 12 to 70 unit to reduce waiting time and improve accessibility near work area. Secondly, we have a prayer room which were not included in the previous design. This provide a proper space for worker to perform their prayer peacefully. We also added 7 vending machines around the factory to offer drink and snack, especially during short or tea breaks. Head service were also added, which were not available before. This facility is important to handle workplace injury and for regular health checkup. The cafeteria was expanded from 280 meters square to 600 meters square, allowing it to serve up to 300 workers at the one time. Lastly, we increased the number of storage space for personal belonging like bag, helmet, and lab coat, making it more convenient for all employment. These changes are aimed at creating a more comfortable, efficient, and supportive working environment for everyone in the factory.
So my name is Muhammad Ahmad Shahmi, known as Ismail, B09 B0522210099. So I will present for car manufacturer plan layout. So as you can see from the slide, there is a picture original layout. Our original layout. So our original layout consists of many departments. So we want to reduce the department. We do an activity relationship between all the departments so we can know what is the important and what is not important. So after we do the activity relationship, we found out that storage, paint shop, waste shop, assembly, and shipping are all the important department. So we do a graph-based method. So after we do the calculation, we got the block layout from that triangle, and then we can do the block layout from the triangle. So this is to reduce the cost for all the department. So next is warehouse. So there are many key aspects of warehouse operation and layout design. So firstly, data collection and analysis to use real-time automated tools like barcode scanners and WMS for efficient inventory tracking. Also, health and safety to ensure safety measures for forklifts and machinery use and to prevent injuries and absenteeism and legal issues. And also robotics integration is also key aspects of warehouse to use robots and cobots to improve productivity, reduce costs, and protect workers. And also effective layout design is key aspects to separate and organize loading, unloading, section, storage, and the others. Also ergonomic equipment, which to provide tools that reduce strain, user postures, focus on high frequency. So basically it is to improve productivity. And lastly, we have design consideration to ensure smooth flow, easy accessibility, optimal space use, and so others. So next we have facility system. So in facility system we need to have HVAC, which is heat ventilating air conditioning. So this is very important to make the facility system is comfortable, not too hot and not too cold. And then for lighting system, this is very important also to reduce the injury during works and also improve the productivity. So for next is fire protection and safety, which is very important, which involve both passive and active measures to prevent, detect, and respond to fires. And life safety systems, which is also to protect our workers from any dangerous or any accidents during the work. So lastly, which is building automation system, is very important in facility system because it can improve productivity, which also reduce the dependency on manpower. So we can rely on AI and machine to do the automation system.
Next, we are going to discuss about manufacturing system used in car production. So, this means this system a crucial role in efficiency and quality of manufacturing vehicle. We can break down the manufacturing system into three types. First one is fixed automation system. The second one is flexible manufacturing system, and the last one is single stage system. So, firstly, about fixed automation system, this system is primarily used when produce a high volume of a specific product. It is highly efficient but lacks flexibility in handling different type of product. Example include the system use a transfer line and dial index machine. For this manufacturing, this company use the transfer line to which is a straight line to produce or to assemble the body part of the vehicle from A to Z. These are ideal for large-scale vehicle parts production where the process flow is linear and repetitive. Flexible manufacturing system. As the name suggests, the system is designed for adaptability. It can be used for small to medium batch production, allowing for the different vehicle model to be manufactured with the same equipment. This system also to provide the best flexibility without sacrificing too much in the term of efficiency. So the last one is single stage system. This system is focused on produce a specific parts like engine, gearbox, radiator, and anything else. It is a more simple approach and it can be quite effective when only one part or two needs to be produced. So we look to the GIT in this manufacturing. GIT means just in time, which is a manufacturing physiology that focus on minimize waste. So in the world, all manufacturing in the world have a waste. So the engineer or the project manager must thinking how to manage the waste, how to minimize the waste, how to reduce the waste, while can increase the efficiency of the product. By the way, GIT was developed by Ono Taichi in 1960 at the Toyota Motor Company. GIT means to reduce the overproduction, which one of the key of waste in the manufacturing, whatever lah, manufacturing, clothing, food manufacturing, machine manufacturing, and also in our topic, which is car manufacturing. The first one, there are seven categories of waste in the GIT, just in time. The first one is production, means they are making too much of product before if need. So the project manager must do a forecasting first to make sure the the product is not too overproduction. The second one is waiting time. Means time lost while waiting for the material, tools, or equipment to be produce the product by assembly. Next is transporting excess movement of material within the factory. Next, process means efficient process that could be improved. Next, unnecessary stock means stock that is not needed immediately, occupying space and resource, and unnecessary motion, waste movement of uh, the workers. And the last one is producing a defective good, means item that not meet a quality standard. By address the issue, GIT can help the manufacturing, help the industry to improve the efficiency and reduce the cost in the car manufacturing process. So to wrap this case study, actually we uh, in design in conclusion, designing a complete facility system within a car manufacturing plant can be quite challenging. So means we need to manage the layout, every part and part, manage the material handling, manage the space requirement, manage the employer requirement like pantry and room of prayer. So initially we didn't know much how about the car manufacturing process, but after we do the discussion, we do the review the case study, analyze of the company background, we can manage to develop an understanding and improve the layout of this car manufacturing. Through our research, we actually get a much deeper knowledge of the different manufacturing system like fixed automation system, flexible, single stage, what they use in the system, what they use in the what they use in the production to complete the one product, how they assemble part by part, and what is the layout, what is the benefit of the workers in that company. So we also learn how GIT can significantly reduce the waste, improve the efficiency, and contribute the sustainable production practice. Finally, we are able to cope and get things done. So we also grateful to Dr. Remy for guide us through this project and helping us better understand the how manufacturing system in the car industry. So that's all from us from BMIF that do the case study of car manufacturing in this subject, which is facility planning and design. And thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.